In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to WooCommerce. By the end, your WordPress store will be linked to Printful so you can streamline fulfillment and start syncing products with confidence. First, open your WordPress website and sign in to the dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with administrator permissions so you can add and manage plugins. For the smoothest experience, do this on a desktop browser and ensure your internet connection is stable. On the left-hand menu, look for plugins and click it, then choose Add New. This is where you can install official tools that extend your site. In the search bar on the top right, type Printful. You should see the official Printful plugin appear in the results. Check that it's published by Printful to avoid installing the wrong one. Click Install Now on the Printful plugin card. WordPress will download what it needs, and the button will switch to Activate when the installation finishes. Go ahead and click Activate. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. You only need to install it once. When it's activated, you're ready to connect. After activation, you'll notice a new Printful option in the left-hand sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. Click that Printful item. This opens the plugin's setup screen where you'll see a prompt to connect your store. Click the Connect button. A new tab or window may open to guide you through authorization. If you're already signed in to your Printful account in your browser, you'll be asked to approve the connection. If not, simply sign into Printful and then confirm the authorization. Keep both tabs open until the process completes and allow pop-ups if your browser blocks them. When the connection succeeds, WordPress will confirm that your store is linked to Printful. You should see a connected status or a success message in the Printful plugin area on your dashboard. If a connection attempt times out, try again and make sure you're still logged into both your WordPress site and Printful in the same browser session. That's it. You opened your WordPress site, went to plugins, searched for Printful, installed and activated the official plugin, and then connected it from the left-hand menu. With the connection set, you're ready for the next steps in your workflow, like syncing products and managing orders through Printful whenever you're ready.